What would you tell your younger self if you would listen?
I think it's funny. I think Connor actually asked me this question once before. There's so many things I'd tell my younger self. Firstly, like for the mental aspect, I would just give my little self a hug and say, dude, you're going to be okay. You're going to be fine. I know your dad's not here right now, or he's not coming back. He went to get the milk and he never coming back, but you're going to be okay. And then the next thing I would tell him would be, before you buy a bunch of bullshit and waste all your money, stop and think about things and maybe just put it in a savings account. Listen to your mom, put that shit in savings and stop spending frivolously. And don't get that fucking credit card when you turn 19. Just don't. You'll get credit later on in life. It'll be fine. You're gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be good. But as far as like, I wouldn't like tell them the future, like what, like horses to bet on, or like that I'm gonna have children or get married. I wouldn't tell them anything like that. It would just be about being okay mentally and monetarily, and I would hopefully benefit from that today. Yeah.
Okay.
How about you?
Okay. First and foremost, I would tell myself to take more risk. I would tell myself not to be so impulsive at that age. Make better decisions in the people that you bring around you. Vet them very well. And sky's the limit. Like, you could do anything. You literally can do anything. Like I had that fearless attitude back then, but I didn't believe in myself. Other people believed in me more than I believed in myself. I think I would definitely tell myself, hey, believe in yourself much more, because you literally can do anything. Anything. That's what I've learned over these 40 years of my life, that I can really do any fucking thing. Only thing that stops me most of the time is money. That's it. Whether it's if I want to go back to school or whatever, if I want to get some more equipment, or if I want to, a lot of stuff, it hinders me to go further, but it's not stopping me to learn. And that's another thing. Learn as much as possible. Even though I've always been that person, but learn as much as possible.
Lord, yes.